So let me show you how to pair and connect your Soundcore R50i earbuds to your Windows PC or laptop. Now this is very simple. The first thing you need to do is put this in Bluetooth pairing mode. And you can do that by opening up the case and taking the earbuds out of the case. So with the earbuds out of the case, they should be in pairing mode if it's the first time. If not, you want to press, or rather touch and hold both earbuds, right? So on the Soundcore logo, just touch and hold both earbuds for about 5 seconds, and they're going to go into pairing mode. And then now you can go to the Bluetooth settings of your Windows computer. So go to Start, Settings, and then click on Bluetooth and Devices. And then you should see Add Device. Click on that, and then click on Bluetooth. And they should appear in your list of available Bluetooth devices. If not, you might want to try and put them in pairing mode again. So I'm gonna try again. Like I said, both earbuds, just touch and hold like that. Should be about 5 seconds. There you go. So you have the Soundcore R50i's. Select to pair and connect, and they're connected. Click on Done, and we are good to go. So now you can just put them in your ears and use them to listen to any kind of media from your Windows computer. Thanks for watching, and good luck.